Hello. We talked a couple weeks ago about building old Yard Dog 2. Well, we got old Yard Dog 2 finished. We got a motor. Took the Compsy motor out. And we put the 17 horsepower Briggs, 17.5 brand new motor I bought here a couple of months ago. We got it running. I made a little test run with it today. It runs 14 miles an hour. Yard Dog 2. Got the 1-speed transmission, drive, reverse, and neutral. So yeah, we've been working on it. Put another gas tank on it. Yep. We put this little tachometer on it. It tells you RPM, how many RPMs you're going if you want to know. Pretty neat little gadget. Well, but $9, you know. So you can set your governor and see how many RPMs it is. And yeah, so we got it all going. We got the handlebars on it with got the thumb throttle. That's pretty neat. I like that thumb deal. It works real good. And we got the shifter. It comes up in here in the middle of the floor. Like I say, it's got drive, neutral, and reverse. Pretty simple. Don't have to worry about changing gears. Put it in drive and go. It's geared pretty good. I mean, you can idle and it'll creep on. It'll creep. Give it the throttle, and it should go. Yard Dog 2 runs 14 miles an hour. That's pretty good. So now this is the third one I built. Gonna have to take it out, test it, see what it'll do in the mud hole. Yeah, I ain't been to the mud hole lately, but getting ready to go. I got my headlight lens out. I'm gonna put me two lights in there. I already did got a Craftsman with a 20 horsepower Tecumseh in it. Put 2 lights in it in the same place, so it works real good. Lights up good. Yeah. So we're about through with it. We still tinkering with it. Little odds and end things, you know. Steering. Got it all figured out. It works good. And So, yeah, the old 20 horsepower Tecumseh, what come in this old yard machine, still got the decal there on the fender. So we want to get we might put some big tires on this one, on the front. Had big tires on the Craftsman. I took them off. Got the rims and stuff, so I just need to get me a couple of tires. And I got a Murray too. I had them on the Murray. The old Murray, it runs 18 mile an hour. It's pretty fast. And like I said, the Craftsman's got the 20 horsepower Tecumseh. It runs 30.70, so I called it 30 mile an hour, but it's close enough to be 31 mile an hour. So anyway, it runs 30 mile an hour. That's pretty quick, I think, for a lawnmower. It ain't supposed to run but about 3 mile an hour. But anyway, just want to show you what I've been doing last couple weeks, 3 weeks, ever how long it's been. But anyway, that's it. We'll catch you later.